A group of white supremacists called Patriot Front marched in Washington, D.C. on Saturday evening while chanting aggressively to reclaim America. According to U.S. media, about 100 members of Patriot Front marched outside Lincoln Memorial and also the Capitol Hill, wearing matching outfits of sunglasses, white face coverings, blue jackets, khaki pants, and brown boots. Some carried plastic shells and American flags. The group's leader even gave a speech near the Capitol while bystanders booed. Police closely monitored the group marched through downtown D.C., and the march ended without incident. According to the Anti-Defamation League, which is a leading anti-hate organization founded in 1913, Patriot Front is a white supremacist group whose members maintain their ancestors conquered America and bequeathed it solely to them. Xinhua correspondent reporting from Washington, D.C.